there! Welcome back to Beautyistic. Ever wondered how to really repair those damaged locks? If your hair has seen its fair share of heat, bleach, or environmental stressors, then you're in for a treat today. Let's take a closer look at a product that promises to tackle all of that and more, the Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Conditioner. Now, Wella isn't just a household name. It's been trusted by professionals for decades. So, when they claim their conditioner can deeply nourish, repair, and strengthen, it's time to see whether this product lives up to the hype. This conditioner is infused with two powerful ingredients: Alpha Hydroxy Acid, AHA, and omega-9. AHA is known for its ability to rebuild the bonds inside the hair, which is especially important if you've been abusing your hair with heat styling or bleaching. Omega-9, on the other hand, helps to replenish the outer layer, locking in moisture and providing protection. So we're looking at a formula that not only addresses the surface, but goes deep to work on the hair structure. The product is vegan, free from parabens, and designed for all hair types. It's also a cream formula, which makes it easy to apply and spread through the hair. If you're wondering whether this conditioner will weigh your hair down or leave it greasy, that's not the case. It's lightweight enough for daily use, but powerful enough to make a noticeable difference in your hair's condition. I've been using this conditioner for the past few weeks, and here's how it stacks up in real-world conditions. First of all, it smells divine. Nothing overpowering, just a fresh, clean scent that lingers without being too much. The texture is rich, but not heavy, which means it distributes easily through wet hair. After rinsing it out, my hair felt noticeably softer and more hydrated. I noticed the shine improved after just a couple of uses, and my hair didn't feel weighed down. In terms of performance, I tested this in different scenarios. First, after a heat styling session, I used this to restore some moisture. It did the job. My hair felt revived, not frizzy or limp. Next, I tested it with my usual routine, and again, the result was consistent. My hair looked healthier, smoother, and more manageable. When it comes to the pros, the fact that this conditioner really helps with moisture retention stands out. For those of us who have color-treated or heat-damaged hair, this is a godsend. It also doesn't leave any residue or make the hair feel too heavy. The vegan formula is a plus for those mindful of ingredients, and it's free from parabens, which we all know is a bonus for maintaining healthy hair long-term. On the flip side, one downside is the price point. While it's definitely a professional-grade product, it may not be the most budget-friendly option for those with long hair who need to use a good amount per wash. If you're someone who washes their hair daily, it could become a bit costly. But in terms of performance and the ingredients you're getting, the price is somewhat justified. Now, if you're on the hunt for something more affordable, there are alternatives that also deliver great hydration. However, when it comes to professional quality ingredients like AHA and omega-9, it's hard to match this one for its specific repair capabilities. As far as build quality goes, the packaging is sleek and practical, with a secure lid that makes it easy to dispense the product. The bottle design is simple, but it does the job, and the formula itself has a good shelf life. In terms of longevity, after about 3 weeks of use, I can say that the product continues to perform well. I haven't noticed any drop-off in the conditioner's ability to hydrate or smooth my hair. If I had to sum up my thoughts, this is a solid conditioner if you're looking to repair damage, strengthen your strands, and maintain moisture. It's great for anyone with dry, damaged, or processed hair and would definitely benefit those who frequently use heat or coloring treatments. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.